Starting a business with low investment is an excellent opportunity for aspiring entrepreneurs to pursue their dreams without a significant financial burden. In this video, we're sharing the 10 best business ideas to start a business with low investment. Number 1. Social media management services. Help businesses manage their social media presence and engage with their audience effectively. Number 2. Content writing and blogging. Offer writing services for businesses and create your own blog to monetize through ads or sponsored content. Number 3. Virtual assistant services. Provide administrative support, scheduling, and other tasks remotely for busy professionals or entrepreneurs. Number 4. Graphic design and branding. Create visually appealing designs and help businesses establish their brand identity through logos and marketing management. Number 5. Handmade crafts and products. Make and sell unique handmade crafts, jewelry, artwork, or customized items online or at local markets. Number 6. Online tutoring or teaching. Teach subjects or skills online through video lessons or virtual classrooms. Number 7. Personal fitness training. Offer personalized fitness training and workout plans to individuals or groups either in person or online. Number 8. Home cleaning and organization services. Provide cleaning, decluttering, and organization services to homeowners or businesses. Number 9. Mobile app development. Create mobile apps for businesses or development your own app idea to generate revenue. Number 10. Website design and development. Build and design websites for individuals, small businesses, and startups.